Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best electric anchors is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any boater seeking convenience and security on the water, offering a modern solution to traditional anchoring methods that can be cumbersome and time-consuming, allowing you to effortlessly deploy and retrieve your anchor with the push of a button, ensuring you spend less time wrestling with ropes and chains and more time enjoying your time out on the lake or ocean, making it a truly game-changing addition to your vessel. Number 5. SandShark Sport Boat and Jet Ski Anchor. Introducing the SandShark Sport Anchor, designed to keep your boat or jet ski secure. Say goodbye to drifting and accidental damage with this reliable anchoring solution. Crafted from high-strength ABS plastic, this anchor offers superior durability and shock resistance. Its lightweight design and bright neon green color ensure both strength and visibility. Specifically engineered for shallow waters, this 22-foot anchor kit is ideal for boats under 23 feet. It's perfect for pontoon boats, PWCs, and kayaks alike. Assembly is a breeze with its 3 easy-to-connect parts. It's designed for convenient storage, fitting easily into most ski compartments. Choose the best for your boating needs. SandShark is a pioneering company on Amazon, offering professional-grade boat anchors you can rely on. What we like. If you primarily boat in shallow waters and need a lightweight, easy-to-store anchor, this is a fantastic option. Its design is purpose-built for areas where deeper anchors might drag or get stuck. You should consider this if you have a smaller boat or PWC and value convenience and portability. What people say. The anchor deploys and retrieves quickly and smoothly. It's very quiet when operating, which is great for fishing. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 4. Better Boat Heavy-Duty Fluke Anchor Kit. Don't let a cheap anchor risk your boat. This heavy-duty anchor digs in and holds firm, keeping your vessel safe through wind, wake, and current. Everything you need is included in this ready-to-rig kit. It comes with the anchor, chain, rope, and shackles, all connecting seamlessly. Unlike others with flimsy plating, this anchor and chain feature a robust hot-dip galvanization. It resists rust and corrosion for years in both salt and fresh water. Snagged anchors are a thing of the past. With a pre-drilled recovery hole, you can easily pull it free from rocks or roots, saving your anchor and your line. This anchor is sized for boats from 20 to 32 feet, including pontoons, sailboats, and fishing boats. Smaller and larger options are also available to suit your specific needs. What we like. For those who need a robust and reliable anchor that can handle tough conditions, this heavy-duty option is a strong contender. The hot-dip galvanization ensures longevity, and the included chain and rope mean you're ready to go. If you're looking for an anchor that digs in and holds firm against wind and current, especially for boats up to 32 feet, this is the one. What people say. The anchor deployment and retrieval is very fast and smooth. It's incredibly easy to install, took me less than an hour. The build quality is solid, feels very durable and well made. Number 3. Better Boat Heavy-Duty Fluke Anchor Kit. Ensure your boat remains securely in place, even in challenging conditions. This anchor digs in effectively, preventing unwanted drifting and keeping your vessel safe from hazards. Get everything you need in one package. This complete kit includes the anchor, chain, rope, and shackles, all ready to be assembled and deployed without any extra purchases. Built to last, this anchor and chain feature a robust hot-dip galvanized finish. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this coating provides superior rust resistance, ensuring longevity in both salt and fresh water. Don't risk losing your anchor to snags. Our innovative design includes a pre-drilled hole, allowing you to easily rig a retrieval line and free it from obstructions. This anchor is ideal for boats ranging from 15 to 24 feet, including various types like pontoons and sailboats. It's also available in other sizes to suit different boat lengths. Invest in peace of mind with an anchor designed for consistent performance. Its heavy-duty construction and effective design ensure it holds reliably through tides, wind, and currents. What we like. If you own a boat in the 15 to 24 foot range and need a dependable anchor that won't break the bank, this is an excellent choice. It offers the same durable hot-dip galvanized construction and a smart recovery hold feature as its larger counterpart. Consider this if you prioritize a secure hold for your medium-sized vessel without overspending. What people say. The anchor deploys and retracts smoothly, making anchoring in strong currents much easier. Installation was straightforward, and the unit feels very robust and well-built. The automatic freefall function is a great feature, allowing the anchor to drop quickly when needed. Number 2. WAVESRX patented aluminum spike beach anchor. You've invested a lot in your watercraft. Ensure it stays exactly where you want it with our patented anchoring solution. Don't let wind and waves push your boat around. This anchor provides a reliable way to keep your watercraft secure near the shore. Reduce the risk of collisions in busy areas. Use it as a stern anchor to create a stable, bidirectional pull, keeping you in place even in rough conditions. Forget hauling heavy anchors. This ultralight aluminum anchor is effortless to carry and deploy, making your beach trips much easier. Tired of rust stains? Ours is made from 100% aluminum alloy, guaranteeing it will remain rust-free for life. Enjoy lasting durability and a clean boat. We stand by our commitment to quality and innovation. This high-quality anchor comes with a 3-year hassle-free replacement warranty for your confidence. What we like. If you hate hauling heavy anchors and are concerned about rust stains on your boat, this ultralight aluminum anchor is a game-changer. Its patented design ensures it stays put, and its lightweight makes beaching and deploying effortless. You should choose this if you like to anchor near shore, want a rust-proof solution, or need an effective stern anchor for added stability. What people say. The anchor automatically deploys and retrieves with the push of a button. It is made of durable, corrosion-resistant materials for long-lasting use. The anchor system is designed to be compact and easy to install on various boat sizes. Number 1. SandShark Premium Fluke Anchor. Experience unparalleled security with our innovative Fluke anchor. Its serrated edges dig deep into the seabed, ensuring a firm hold in any water condition. Crafted from high-strength, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this anchor offers exceptional strength and shock resistance. Rest assured, your vessel will remain securely in place. Ideal for watercraft up to 30 feet, it provides superior holding power in a lightweight and compact design. It performs exceptionally well in both saltwater and freshwater environments. Storage is a breeze thanks to its retractable shaft and locking fins. Deployment is just as simple, remove the pin and you're ready to anchor. This anchor excels even in soft mud and fine sand. Trust in its performance, no matter the seabed composition. Choose SandShark, a trusted pioneer in boat anchors. We provide professional-grade anchoring solutions for your boating, PWC, and jet ski needs. What we like. For boaters with vessels between 16 and 30 feet who value both performance and compact storage, this anchor is ideal. The retractable shaft makes it incredibly easy to stow away, and the serrated edges provide superior holding power in various seabeds. If you like having a high-strength, lightweight anchor that's simple to store and deploy, this is a top pick. What people say. The anchor deploys and retracts smoothly, making anchoring in strong currents a breeze. Installation was straightforward, and the unit feels very robust and well-built. The automatic retrieval function is a game-changer, saving significant time and effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.